Hi there, it's Beauty Junkie. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to get into my mini fridge. I'm going to show you what I keep in there. Plus I'm going to show you my progress and some of the products that I've been using for the past month or so. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, this is my mini fridge. I keep it on my vanity and I use it for skincare, but I do have some fragrances in it. I keep it plugged in all the time. It has this nifty little shelf in here that I keep some sheet masks in. I wish it was a little bit bigger because I have another large sheet mask that I can't fit. But it does have like a really nice shelf that makes it easy to store lots of stuff. I'm just gonna pull things out and kind of show you all the stuff I keep in here. I keep the my watermelon glow mist, kind of a setting spray slash hydrating spray. I keep it in here. You don't have to, but in the summertime I just started like putting it in here just because it feels really nice when it's cool. I have mostly serums in here, a couple creams. Some of this stuff you don't have to put in the fridge, but I like to keep it in a cool, dark place just to help make it last a little bit longer. So I have my retinol eye serum in here, my finishing serum. This is from Biologique Recherche. This is Medicate. This is also from BR. This is my acne serum, anti-aging serum. This is my Kypris antioxidant slash calming serum. I am almost done with the Skin Ink serum. This is kind of like a different vitamins in here, different things going on, just hydrating. I also have a retinol oil that I haven't used too much. This is from Jordan Samuel. And then the rest of the bottom of my fridge is fragrances that I just want to keep safe and out of the light and in a cool place. And as you can see, there's a lot of water on the bottom, and that happens if you're always kind of keeping it plugged in. It kind of defrosts. Also, if you don't close it all the way, the door can kind of defrost itself. But I have my Le Labo Santal 33, my Jo Malone Wood Sage and Sea Salt cologne, and then this is the tobacco vanilla, just in a case. But that's what I keep on the bottom. And then up top I keep some random stuff. So this is an eye cream. You don't have to keep it in the fridge, but it just has a really nice cooling effect. This one's from Belief. I'm using up a BR sample and I cut it open because I want to get every last drop. I really like this one. This is the Biofixing eye cream. And then I have a couple random things. And then I have a couple random things up top. This is like a sample of a vitamin C serum that I've been using from Vitabrid. I have my retinol cream from Medicate. This is the Crystal Retinol 6, which I am seeing a lot of. So I am seeing a lot of results from this. I think I'm going to be peeling very soon because I'm starting to use it every other. I have a roller in here for its cooling benefits, although I don't use it that often now that I have my new cryo sticks, which I cannot fit in here. I have to put it in my regular refrigerator. I have a couple like samples and serums in here from Drunk Elephant. I have their Sea Tango eye cream, which I found to be a little bit irritating. Haven't used it in a while. This is their marula oil. I really like. This is just a small size of it. And then I have a little sample of the La Mer moisturizing cream, which I find to be very thick. I also keep my old prescription of tretinoin in here. I don't really use it because it's really strong, but I didn't want to throw it away. And it's probably well past its expiration date. Yeah, it expired in 2019, so I should probably just get rid of it. But that's kind of what is all fits in my fridge. You definitely don't have to pack it in this much stuff. I mean, the fragrances are optional. I mean, really all of this stuff is optional, but if you live in a pretty warm climate that doesn't stay within like a mild temperature, like if your place gets, you know, well into the 80s like my apartment does, I think this is really vital for me to have a fridge. Otherwise my stuff could be compromised, and especially for long periods of time. Sometimes it doesn't go below 80 for weeks on end. And if I'm gone, I don't leave the air conditioning on. It can get very hot in my apartment, like 90 degrees. So I like to keep this stuff in here. My other stuff that I don't keep in here either doesn't fit or is just mostly cream based, so I don't worry about that too much. So yeah, that's what's in my fridge. Alright, so I did want to update you on a couple things. So it's July 1st, so I've been using the Rapid Brow Enhancing Serum for a month now. I've been using it one time in the morning, one time at night, so 2 times a day. I think I've noticed a little bit of growth. I will have to show you pictures in the beginning when I started. It's really easy to apply. I have no irritation. I think you're supposed to see results after a month. I'm gonna keep using it, but I mean, if this is the full result I'm gonna get, it's not really like where I want it to be. I want my brows to be filled in more and thicker than this, but I really have to go back and compare pictures. I think this is a little bit better than where I started, but not really fully where I want it to be. But I don't know, I can't make miracles happen. But really pleasant to use. I know Costco sells this, or they used to, and you can get it like at a lot of different places, and usually places that have sales. I've also been using the new lash enhancing serum. I've only been using this at night as per directed on the directions. They say this one I think is supposed to take longer, like 2 months to see the full results. I don't see much of a difference at all, maybe slightly longer, but I'm not noticing anything where like my lashes are touching like the middle of my eye or anything like that. I'm not noticing like a huge difference, which is disappointing. But I've been pretty good about applying it every night, so it's been like 30 days. We'll see, we'll keep going. I'll recap, of course, on these products again. I also have been starting to use my NuFace Mini, and I started maybe like 3 weeks ago on this, and I like it. I'll show you some before pictures. I think you're supposed to use this like 2 months or something, every day or most days of the week, and then after that it's just maintenance. So I'm like halfway through really using it. Mostly I'm targeting my jowls. I want a little bit of a lift right here. I don't know if I'm gonna get a lot of out of this product, but we'll see. I've started to change my technique. So originally in my how-to video I showed you how to use it like this, and then one of my I don't know if they're a subscriber or not, but somebody commented on my video to try the advanced techniques, because I will probably see more of a difference. And that basically means like a press and hold for like 10 seconds and then move on, rather than doing the swiping technique. So I started doing that, especially under here, you know, just pressing and holding. So I'm going to continue doing the advanced techniques, and to see if that kind of helps get things going a little bit faster or more dramatically. But yeah, I mean, I've been using the primer. I also got a tip, like instead of like reapplying gel because it dries out, just spray water to reactivate it, which is good because that will help me save money on product. So I have a little spray bottle nearby if things dry out, but I've just been applying section by section and doing the hold techniques, and I haven't had too much of an issue with drying out, and if I do, I'll just spray a little bit of water and things get nice and moist again. So I'm glad for that tip. I have to say you guys have been really helpful, especially with the new stuff that I've never used before. Anyway, so that is my update for July 1st. I can show you my pictures for the new face. I haven't noticed too much of a difference, but it's the kind of thing that you can't really measure. You just kind of have to look at pictures and compare. Anyways, so let me know what's in your mini fridge. Are you trying any new products this summer? Are you experimenting? How's it going? Please let me know. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.